Hello everyone. In this tutorial I show you simple techniques how to detect fraudulent credit card transactions with Orange. Select Train File from your file folder and open it. File contained 284,807 transactions made by credit card holders in 2013 and is 31 features. Connect file to data table widget. In class columns number 1 indicate fraud operation and 0 none. Connect file to tree and tree to tree viewer widget. 99.8% are legal operations and 492 fraudulent. Select naive Bayes and neural network from the list. You can choose any number of machine learning regressions, but it may require more CPU resources and take longer to process. Connect file to naive Bayes and neural network. Connect them to test and score and to file. And complete. Both models came up with the same, near 100% accuracy, listed in C. And test file from your file folder. As we already trained data with our models from first file, we can now go ahead and test it with additional 20 transactions. Open Predictions widget. Connect to test data file. And connect to models. On the left side we see the predictions of both models. Number 1 indicate fraudulent operations. Though both models predict similarly. Connect file to scatter plot. And we see the distribution of every activities and how they scattered. It's clear that red dot, what come up with illegal transactions are yellow axis. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.